After installing DOS for Excel, two tabs will appear in the red on DOS Editing tab. Click on Navigation. Navigate to any opened workbook and also to any certain sheet. Save time reading, making your sheet full screen and easy to view by this feature that minimize ribbon, formula and status bars with the ability to show them again. Reading Layout Utility. It is easier to view your cell data by highlighting the row and column of the active cell as a target shape. Save time reading the large row cells by selecting your row that you want to view and then click on Row to Column. That will show an elegant window viewing your row data and its headers in just 2 columns to make it easy to read. You have the ability to print or save it to text. Select used range started from the selected cell easily with one click. You can select whole used range even there is empty columns. You can highlight or delete rows for empty rows. At least one empty cell in a row with specified value. Identical rows. Hidden rows. Remove leading, trailing, extra or all spaces from cells. Save time filling date into cell or a range of cells at once by using Date Picker, with ability to set the format of date and time. Select a range of cells and fill date into them at once. Change the format of date. Change case of letters to uppercase, to lowercase, to proper case. or capitalize each cell. Easily merge cells or rows or columns into one, or merge same values. Split first and last words, or split words separated by the certain character you choose. Save time when it comes to manipulate comments by using powerful features. Toggle show or hide comments with a single click. Convert comments to cells text. Convert cells text to comments. Easily delete comments in a range of cells. Resize and position comments of selected cells. Collect comments on all sheets and list them in one sheet column. Replace comments' old value with new one. Save time formatting cells, back color, fore color, borders, alignment and font each time. Now you can create the formatting template buttons as much as you want that can be reused in all Excel files at any time. Save time coloring duplicated values. Each group of matched cells values colored by its own color with one click. Quickly calculate cells value based on cell font or background or shading color in Excel. There are many formulas to perform data calculation in Excel. But if you want to counter some cells by their fill or background color or font color, and do other calculations with a range of cells based on a specified background or shading color or font color, there is no such formula for you to do so in Excel. but dose for Excel's count by color utility can quickly apply calculations to cells based on cell color and generate a report in a new Excel worksheet. Export sheets each in separate workbook to your local disk with one click. The ability to choose worksheets you want to export. Import your directory or folder files names into Excel sheet with hyperlink to open files regardless of its type. The ability to show files names, paths, folder path, file type, delete option and comments. Extract all sheets names as hyperlinks in one sheet of one column to easily navigate to sheets by clicking on sheet name. Delete all blank worksheets in an opened workbook by one click. Sort sheets names tabs by alphanumeric sorting or date sorting. Count worksheets of the active workbook visible or hidden sheets. Count words of the selected cells. Count characters of the selected cells. Save time by backup your Excel files automatically by choosing one of the three options. Always backup Excel files when opened. It will be saved in the location you specify in backup destination. Backup only this Excel file now for one time. More off. In Settings, you can show or hide tags in the Excel ribbon. Create a copy of your active sheet before using any DOS feature. Custom pane position is the direction of all panes. By default it is set to right. If you set it to left, then all panes will pop up from left side of your Excel. Multi-language option includes most used languages worldwide like English, Arabic, German and Italian. Press on the Data to use functions and formula helper. Quickly use built-in functions without writing code to save time and efforts using the built-in Excel functions to create some frequently used functions which can save you time when you need to apply the function, and you don't need to write code for it or formula. Using the built-in Excel functions to create some frequently used formulas which can save you time when you need to apply the formula, and you don't need to remember how to create the formula. Each formula is explained in an image. These are only few features of what DOS for Excel has.